Additional evidence of the Book of Mormon's divine origin is its legal brilliance considering its era and its weave across centuries of history and law. Remember, Joseph Smith translated the Book of Mormon in approximately 65 to 75 days in 1829. No rewrites, no significant corrections. And yet, 5 major legal cases scattered throughout the text present a coherent, principled judicial system. Let's preview them. Case 1. Freedom of speech versus political sedition. The trial of Abinadi in Mosiah chapters 11 to 17. Abinadi, a prophet, is arrested under King Noah for preaching against wickedness. His crime? Telling the truth. He's charged with blasphemy and sedition and sentenced to death. Case 2. Religious freedom versus religious fraud. The separate cases of Nehor and Korihor. Nehor, Alma chapter 1 and Korihor, Alma chapter 30. Alma the younger, both chief judge and high priest, deals with 2 threats. Nehor, who kills the priest Gideon and is executed for murder, not for false doctrine. Korihor, an atheist deceiver, is allowed to speak until his lies endanger others. The message? The book protects religious liberty. Case 3. Defense of constitutional government versus rebellion. Pahoran and the King-men. Alma chapters 51, 61 and 62. When King-men seek to overthrow the republic, Pahoran, the chief judge, is accused of treason by Captain Moroni. Pahoran defends the rule of law, not power. Case 4. Truth-seeking versus evidentiary procedure. Nephi and the trial of Seantum, Helaman chapters 8 and 9. The prophet Nephi, son of Helaman, prophesies the murder of the chief judge. But prophecy alone doesn't convict. Authorities investigate and Seantum, the actual killer, confesses. Case 5. Rule of law versus systemic corruption. The Gadianton Robbers, Helaman chapters 2 and 6, and again in 3 Nephi chapters 6 and 7. These oath-bound secret combinations infiltrate judgeships, bribe officials and collapse the Nephite government from within. They are the ancient equivalent of modern crime syndicates. Mafia, triads, RICO-level corruption. Joseph Smith did not have the resources or legal training to fabricate this. These cases show a cohesive legal framework inspired by a higher lawgiver. They represent 10% or approximately 50 pages of the translated record. 2 interconnected, coherent, and inspired to fabricate. This is prophecy, not forgery.